Hi there, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Hi there, I'm Jessica, and I'm excited to take you on the amazing journey to the stunning Algarve beach in Portugal this 2023. Get ready to explore one of the sweetest spots in Portugal. You won't regret it. So, if you like this video, please click the like button and write me a comment. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this place. Now let's get started. In Lagos, one of Portugal's best cities. Let me give you a brief introduction. It's an old city with a marvelous harbor, sandy beaches, and a beautiful old center that is surrounded by small, cobbled streets lined with bright and vibrant colorful houses. We'll stop at St. Anthony's Church, the fort, and a few other places that has amazing views of the Atlantic and all its fabulous coastline. Then we'll head towards the coast and admire the unique limestone formations and nature of the area, as well as some of the many caves and coves here that make it one of Europe's hidden gems. What more can I say? Just get ready for stunning sights and hidden beaches that can make you feel as if you are in a magical, faraway universe. After that, we'll explore some of Vila Moura's marinas and walk along its cobbled streets filled with fantastic restaurants, boutiques, and other interesting places. Last but not least, we'll be stopping in Tavira, one of Portugal's loveliest towns. The entire place is really charming, with its cobbled streets, small squares, and hidden alleys where you can taste the true Portuguese gastronomy and discover some of its best, also its mysterious monuments. So, don't hesitate any longer and take this walk to discover some of the most scenic places in Portugal this 2023 with me and my team. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more amazing places and adventures.
Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye!